Welcome to Allgeier Schweiz's SEO Template App. This solution provides you with cutting-edge insights into your top 5 keywords. It shows you trends of who's searching for those keywords over time. Of those top 5, it generates a list of over 100 related keywords that people are currently searching on. It harvests data from search engines to show you how to compare to your competition, and allows you to drill into those results. And most importantly, it provides you with key insights into new targeting opportunities. Let's take a look at a sample report for a Swiss online electronics retailer. This report was fed with 5 distinct keywords, amongst them iPhone. The trend shows clearly that this keyword is very mature. Users know what an iPhone is and don't search for just that term. They combine it and become more specific. Apart from Apple, the top related query here is XR iPhone. The rising related queries make it quite obvious. The iPhone XR is currently the hottest topic when talking about iPhones. Cases also seem to be of particular interest. Let's have a closer look at the XR iPhone. The Search Analytics drill down shows us that we only have one single page that actually appears for that search result in the index. Our strongest competitor, Fust, managed to land a page 1 position. That's the kind of exposure we'd like to have too. But the keyword competition for just XR iPhone is tough. Look at that sea of red on the right-hand side. Most of the entries in the top 50 have the keywords XR iPhone in their URL and in their title. Let's see if we can identify a keyword combination that has less competition but is still valuable. On the Search Analysis dashboard, we can use the KW in URL metric to identify combinations that have results in the index which have not been fully optimized. iPhone XR Colors, for example, has a strong value position with 340, while a relative low URL score of 15. Also, our competition is nowhere to be seen on the first 3 pages. Let's have a closer look at this. We can see that there is a lot of opportunity to target XR iPhone colors, with a lot of entries in the top 10 not optimized for those words. Maybe we write a blog post that covers the different colors that the XR model is available in, or ensure that our product pages include the word colors in their description. To use this template with your own keywords is very simple. When you connect your data, you can list your top 5 keywords, list of competitors, your company website, your analysis token, which you can obtain from us, specify your search geography, the country that shall be relevant for competitor comparison, and specify the geography for your trend analysis. In this case, US, because often you will receive a wider result set when using the US for your trend analysis. We hope you have enjoyed this demo of our SEO Template app. And we look forward to talking to you soon about our range of intelligent solutions.